It's Good Friday. It's 2019. This is Derek. Evelyn's behind the camera. And we couldn't really wait anymore for summer. So it was warm enough outside for us to do something, so here we are. Derek's got his grills and oven, pizza oven going. And let's take a look at what's inside.
So I have this stock, the vegetable stock. It's going to be my soup later. I like to use the oven because it's a nice smoky flavor. I also have some lentils that are simmering in the back. I'll check on them in a minute.
What else are you using the pizza oven for tonight?
I'm going to roast these eggplants, and then behind me you can see the tray of tomatoes and cauliflower and onions. Those are all next. So the lentils are lentiling. They'll simmer away in the back. I'll probably keep